Hello guys, today is our last day here in LA. Not really. I need to move here. Actually, LA is boosted.
No, a little.
It's just a little. It's fun, but like it's boosted. I feel like I'm in Dallas, but it's whatever. But yeah, we're about to go hiking, and honestly, I'm not ready to leave. What's on my camera? I'm not ready to leave. Where are we going next? We're going to Bora Bora.
Listen, next time we're going out of the country.
Yeah, Hawaii.
Not Cancun, we're going to Paris. Something.
Paris.
Let's
go to Bora Bora. Jamaica.
Yes, same girls. Yes, Jamaica. Ah, okay.
You're the only excited one.
This summer, I'm down. I'm actually down for summer. I'm actually down. It has to be for this, like, August. Yeah, let's go this
in August?
No, yeah, right.
Shania won't be around. Oh yeah, right before school starts.
Yeah.
Heike, let's start working heavy and like saving money.
Deadass, let's do that.
I'm being deadass. I'm being serious.
Like, I'm not joking either.
It's about time. We've surpassed this whole in America type thing. We need to go out of state.
We need to use our passports. Do you need to?
Oh, I would have to like. Mine is expired.
How do you request it?
But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys when we're on this hike. So we're hiking. Well, we haven't really reached our destination, but we're about to go see the Hollywood sign. And so far, this is where we are.
Thing like a little supermarket called Nelson's.
What's she doing? Give us an outfit of the day. So
I wear the wrong shoes because, you know,
we understand.
My dumbass didn't bring the right shoes. So I have my white Nikes that aren't meant for walking, hiking.
Okay.
And then I have my two-piece set from Fashion Nova.
Okay. Body. Okay.
So I have this that I bought at the flea market the other day.
Yes. For how much?
$5. Everything was $5.
Everything was $5. Who wants to do an outfit of the day? Bianca, your turn. What do we have on?
I have on some Nike Prestos.
Okay.
And I got in some Forever 21 cat suit or whatever you fucking call it.
Okay.
And then I got on the Urban Outfitter crop top. That's my look.
Okay. Brianna.
Today I'm wearing some Nike Air Prestos.
Okay.
And then some Walmart cotton leggings.
Okay.
Really comfortable. I have my Target sports bra on.
Cute.
With this Boohoo crop sweater.
Where's your glasses from?
My glasses are from Ray-Ban. If you need a hookup, just let me know.
Okay.
Yeah. And my hair is from AliExpress.
Okay. My turn. Today, your girl's wearing Adidas.
Okay.
From Adidas. I'm wearing this two-piece set from Fashion Nova. Not Fashion Nova. Where'd I get this from? Forever 21. This jacket, I got it from my brother's closet. This hair is all mine. These glasses, I got them from Urban Outfitters.
Cute. Where's your backpack from?
My backpack's from, where'd I get this? DD's. Bro, we're not gonna find them. We have no. Honestly, I was about to say somebody should have had their find my location on, but no service to do that. Okay, we've done enough hiking. Is that them? I think that's it. Look at Efi. Yeah! SOS! SOS! We've been looking for them everywhere. Hey guys, we all did an outfit of the day and we need you to do one. Outfit of the day. Honestly, we don't know.
Rush Canyon. But they said we'll see. This is Rush Canyon, but they said we won't see the Hollywood sign. The Hollywood sign.
But it's 45 minutes to get there.
So that's not bad. It's even better.
Yeah, we thought it was an hour.
Take 45 minutes to get
Yeah.
I thought it was 2 hours.
Yeah.
No. Okay, outfit of the day, guys. Hold on. Who's first? Mary Claire? Okay, you?
First.
Okay.
From Fashion Nova.
Okay.
Fashion Nova.
Okay.
Forever.
Okay.
Adidas.
Okay.
Where's your backpack from? This is from Ross.
Okay.
And this is Ray-Bans.
Cute. Ray-Bans. Okay, who's next?
I don't even know where a lot of this stuff is from. I'm pretty sure I got this from, you know, you already know what it is. Bra from Forever, you know, got the Nike jacket, you know,
Okay.
Nike shoes, fanny pack.
Where's the fanny pack from? Who's next?
So this hair is mine, obviously. These shoes are Puma.
When you're not ready for the hike. Okay. Okay, cute. Jenny, your turn.
You know, this hair's from Allie Grace.
Okay.
Glasses from Target.
Okay.
Sports bra from Target. Columbia jacket.
Okay.
Leggings from Ross.
Bet.
Shoes.
Yes. We big ballin' today. We big ballin'
To
today.
hike up to the Hollywood Trail.
Okay.
I just want to let y'all know.
No thank you. No thank you. Oh my god. We're almost done. We're almost done. Oh my. So guys, we finally made it to the Hollywood sign. This is as far as we're gonna get. But it was worth the hike. I feel accomplished. How do y'all feel about this hike?
I love it.
You loved it? How do you feel about it? How do you feel about it, Brianna? How y'all feel about the hike? Ifama, how did you feel? It wasn't bad at all. It was really fun. I feel accomplished. I feel like I did something today. I know. Now we don't feel bad going out to eat after. But yeah, we're just taking pictures now at the Hollywood sign, and oh my god. Jennifer, how did you feel about the hike?
Wow.
I lost a good 10 pounds.
Oh no! Yes. I feel like my lips are ashy. The whole,
dry. Everything's
the
dry.
whole, yes.
The way
Just dried me out. Sweat, everything. Water. There's no water left in my body. Dang, but we have to go back down. We forgot about that.
Yeah, bro, this hill's not over.
But it's not gonna be bad.
Right there.
Yeah.
To be honest, that first section before we sat,
Uh huh. Because the hills were like going up. Yeah. But yeah, there's a lot of people here. Can y'all believe people do this like every single day? Sorry.
I said people in California have like
At least once a week. Yeah, once a week. Just to feel like you did something. So long, Hollywood sign. Woo! Say woo. No. Thank you. Woo! Till next time. Never. Enough. Y'all come back. I'm not. No, next time I'm driving up here, or I'm renting a horse. I refuse to do this walk again. See, if it wasn't so steep and like with the hills and stuff like that, I could have done it. But I mean, I still did it.
The weather is good though.
Yeah, the weather is beautiful. It was really good. God is actually really beautiful. Like his creations are beautiful and everything. Like y'all need to see this.
created this world in how many days? Like
7 with all these mountains and everything, and it's just like so pretty.
And that's how they got here. You see that?
both set up. So we're on a tour bus.
Yep.
Yeah.
Just need it.
Say hi, guys.
Hey, the one and only. Definitely sometimes things vlog.
And they still don't know who you are.
Yeah.
Some water. Free water.
As we begin our journey, let's tell you a few things about this trolley we're riding on. It is 15 years old, it weighs 25 tons, and it is completely electric.